Stay friends, I am Gurji. Welcome to Trading Emotion Channels. What we discussed yesterday, that was entirely different market done. And see, many people they lost their capital yesterday because they are biased on PE. But PE also market profile not given any information in the afternoon. So you will learn market profile, and this type of days if you are avoiding the trade, that also good attitude. Okay, no problem. Why? Because the emotional trading was happen, some news based emotional trading was happen. Then after a period there is a no follow through. A period means early morning. Early morning itself this large sell off. After that they won't get a follow through. That's why market reversal was happen. This is a simple logic in the market, and market profile provide very good information. Okay, what could be the thought process on today? See, this high is very important for today. This high is very important. This high level is almost 18,520. 520 is this high. This high very important, and this low, yesterday's low is a very important. Okay, right. So what is a plan? Market how to open flat. That means nearby yesterday's open or yesterday's close nearby. Market how to open flat, and market how to get a acceptance above yesterday's high. That means 18,000. What is actually there is a level I marked in trading view. 1 second. 470. Okay, 18,470. Any acceptance market how to open flat and moving up. Any acceptance at 18,470, go for a CE. First target 18,585. That is the first target. This is a nearby 90 points, 110 points ride you can do. Otherwise, if market opening gap up, then wait for acceptance this day high. That means 18,520. Go for 520. Go for another CE. One more CE opportunity is there towards 18,585. 85. Then next target is 18,650. 18,650 is a this target. This is a non-migration POC we call in the market profile. These are the information. These are the target market profile provide you every time. So you no need to panic whether the target will hit or not. Why? Because the target is fixed in the market profile. Market profile itself will provide information that I am going to hit this non-migration POC. So here we can control our emotion. How the emotion we can control? Once we get in a confident, once we believe on the levels, that level market profile 100% give you as a money, return back you as a profit. If you are watching our channel, please click the like button, post your feedback in the comment box. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel, share our channel to your friends and relatives. Okay, this is a 2-3 scenarios. We two scenario. One is flat opening, and another is a gap up opening. What about a gap down opening? That means gap down also. If I am planning for CE, then I want to wait 18,470 acceptance. That means gap down also. I will wait for acceptance above 470. Then only I will go for a CE. Otherwise, any rejection from 18,470. Any rejection from 470, I will go for a PE towards this territory. What is the territory? 18,300. Almost 18,300. Again, this is a non-migration POC. So we don't know where market will clear. Market will travel here, this non-migration POC, or market will travel this non-migration POC. That is what we need, a opening above this value area, high, or above this day high. If above this day high opening and 470 getting acceptance, market will travel this 650 zone. That means 585 is the first target, second target is 654. Then any rejection from 470, market coming down and accepting inside yesterday's high, then market is traveling to here. This information already market profile provided us. Okay, what about inside the value area opening? Then just watch, sit and relax, just watch. Any acceptance below this day low, that means 18,240, 18,240, then we can ride another 100 points. Next target is 18,140 on downside. This low is very, very important. But if market opening inside this value area, that means in between 18,370 or in between 18,405, 405 also there is a level, so mark this 405, 240. If market opening here and any acceptance at 407, 405, go for a C like that. But inside the value area, market will eat the premium today. Premium eating day will be there. So plan your trade setup. Just watch again and again these levels and plan as per your setup. Work on the setups. Don't jump into the if you are seeing a big green candle or big red candle, don't put yourself as an emotional person. Control your emotion and plan your setup. Once the setup is coming, the system is saying that or the market is saying that I am going to this side, then believe that market information, go travel along with the market. Quickly we can just check Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty also is very bullish on the bias. Bullish means market how to travel more on clear, more on the upside. So just mark 43,540. Okay, this level, yeah. This level means we need a acceptance above this day high, above this day high, 43,570, this day high. Any acceptance here? What is the level here? Again 575, 43,575. Any acceptance at 43,570, 43,575. Okay, mark this number, this level. Market how to open again here? Market up to open flat and going above this acceptance, above this level. Go for a CE. CE, the first target could be this level. What to say? 18,000, 43,820. And next target could be this non-migration POC, this 43,910. 43,910 you can plan for a, why? Because there is a smart money zone. So 43,910 is a second target. Any acceptance at 575, go for a CE. Next target is 820, 43,820. Next target is 910. These are the two target on the Bank Nifty on the upside. Okay, if market opening flat, for example flat, and any acceptance inside this value area, go for a PE towards first non-migration POC, first this target. What could be this level? This level also 43,240, and next is this day low, 43,000, this day low. And see again, one more thing, this high is very important. This day high is very important. Yesterday's low is very important. If yesterday's low is breaking, then there is another good fall we can see. If this high was taking up, this high, this day, that means Monday's high taking up, then we can see this target. These are the simple strategy in Bank Nifty. Plan accordingly. Thank you very much.